right, we can't divide by 0. Okay, we cannot divide by 0. So that's what helps us to find the domain. All right, cannot divide by 0. All right, so in other words, I got to find the values that make that denominator 0 and exclude them. Okay, so that's kind of the rule. And if it was a nice little binomial, you could probably do it in your head. But whenever they give you a trinomial down here, then there's a good chance you're going to have two numbers that you're going to have to skip over. I'm going to switch colors here. So I'm going to take that x squared minus 10x plus 21. All right, and then I'm going to set it equal to 0. And if you wanted, you could even say not equal to 0. What values are going to make this not equal to 0? Okay, so guess and check. So again, more of this factoring thing. All right, x and x looks like it's going to be a 7 and a 3. I need a negative 10, so a negative 7 and a negative 3 gets me the negative 10 with a positive 21. Okay, so that means x cannot be 3. X cannot be 7. All right, x cannot be 3, x cannot be 7, because if x is 3, this denominator is going to be 0. If x is 7, this denominator is going to be 0. All right, now, if you remember, I had you put this on the number line, right? Because we're trying to come up with the domain. The domain is all of our x values, right? And x values run left to right across our number line, right? So if I picture a number line and I put my 3 here and I put my 7 there, and I say, okay, so I can't have 3 in my domain. I can't have 7, but I can have all the other numbers. So I can have all of these, I can have all of these, and I can have all of these. All the way down here on this end is negative infinity. All the way up here is positive infinity. So I've shaded 3 sections, all right, on my pretend number line here. Of course, you are going to have to use interval notation, so that's why I'm setting this up for interval notation. Let's actually even note that, interval notation. All right, so just look at your number line. We'll have negative infinity up to 3, curvy bracket because we want to skip over the 3. Do that middle section, 3 to 7. Again, curvy bracket because we're skipping over the 7. Last section, 7 to infinity. Okay, and again, if you read the directions really well, it's going to tell you using interval notation, so you're not going to have to just remember that. They're going to tell you that.